drums of the warm acoustic guitar blend with the gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore. A serene melody weaves through the breeze, creating a soothing rhythm that mirrors the ocean's ebb and flow. Sound of distant gulls and the rolling tide add layers to the tranquil soundscape of this coastal escape. Let the music guide you into an untouched paradise, where stress dissolves like footprints in the sand. Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pine, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step see the palm trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine. West Coast living where it's always fine. Barbecue grilling, got the smoke in the air. Neighbors pulling up, good vibes everywhere. Talk box singing, let the synthesizer play. Grooving through the block like it's a Saturday. Slide, glide, take a ride. Oh, feel that sunshine, let the bass line flow. West Coast breeze, got the vibe on lock. Cruising all day, no tick-tick of the clock. Hit the beach, feet up in the sand. Ooh, yeah. Wave to the ocean, yeah, it's part of the plan. Retro shades reflecting the sky. Out here vibing, making time stand by. Late night lights, city shining in gold. Story after story, all the legends are told. Cruisers hit the streets, hear the engines purr. Low riders dipping, making heads turn for sure. Slide, glide, take a ride. Feel that sunshine, let the bass line flow. West Coast groove, got the beat so sweet. Keep it rolling steady, feel the heat, feel the beat.
Fruit, lots of fruits, more fruits, more fruits.
City lights blink, they got secrets to spill. Painted asphalt whispers a soulful chill. Clouds pass slow like memories that fade. Walking through the midnight, chasing dreams we made. Echo of your laugh, now a ghost in the shade. Every step a crack where the smile decayed. Voices in my head softly hum your tune, dancing with the shadows under a silver moon. Falling stars write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom, in the deep of the night under a pale lit room. Street lamp flickers out, matches my doubt. Counting lonely steps, trying to map a route. Past the pain and the fear, beyond the cold air. Searching in the void like you'd still be there. Eyes shut tight, see the dreams barely glow. Fingers reach for nothing, just the wind that I know. Ocean tide.
Tidak angkel.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for
Crashing in the shadows, break. Still drowning in your name. Every breath I take. Falling stars, write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom in the deep. Good night under a pale lit room.
baila conmigo bajo la luna. El ritmo calienta, siente la fortuna. De sol y fuego, pasión en la arena. Tu movimiento es pura candela. Fuego, fuego en el corazón. Fuego, mueve, mueve sin condición. La noche llama, siente la explosión. Fuego, fuego, nuestra canción. Sun-kissed bodies dancing in the glow. Heat of the summer, let